Hello. Hello. Do you need a basket? Do you need a basket? Yes, I need a basket. Yes, I need a basket. I want some apples. I want some apples. These apples look fresh. These apples look fresh. How much is the milk? How much is the milk? It is $5. It is $5. I also need bread. I also need bread. Where is the rice? Where is the rice? The rice is over there. The rice is over there. I found the rice. I found the rice. Let's buy some juice. Let's buy some juice. This juice is cold. This juice is cold. I like this supermarket. I like this supermarket. The store is very clean. The store is very clean. I am ready to pay. I am ready to pay. Please scan these items. Please scan these items. Do you need a bag? Do you need a bag? Yes, please. Yes. Please. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video for more English learning.